Hello friends, welcome back to my latest video. In this video, I will give a demo on how we can create a um, custom filter in Ansible. As you know, there are many filter plugins in Ansible, like connection plugin, action plugin, and filter plugin is one of them. So why do we need custom filter plugins, right? So that there could be cases where the built-in plugin like upper, lower, or random, or there are many. So that may not be sufficient for you, right? I have created Ansible role. Okay, so this is my demo role. It's called plugin demo, right? So I have created the plugin, the custom plugin also. I will just go through that. Before that, let me just edit this code a bit, and mm, let's do that. Mm, Sorry, let's go to the task main.yaml. If I can type password correctly. Yeah. Okay. So currently it is using my custom filter. Let's remove that. And for test, let's do this. So basically, we are using the built-in filter called upper. So whatever string we'll pass, it will convert into uppercase, right? So let's test that. Main.playbook. Let me show you the main.playbook also. So this is our main.playbook, nothing fancy. We are running against localhost and we are just calling our role. This is our role, right? Our role is ready and we are just calling our role. So nothing fancy there. Main.yaml, and we'll be passing our variable. Sorry. So ideally it should convert. Yeah, it converted. We passed a test in smaller, it converted to uppercase. So basic, right? So now we'll switch it with our filter, right? So before that, let me show you that. Okay. So basically, let me. So how to create your custom filter plugin, right? So you need to create a directory called filter underscore plugin under your roles root, right? So make sure you create a directory called filter underscore plugin and create a Python file. So it doesn't matter what name it is, right? Just create a Python file. So that was that. Now let's go in there. So, sorry friends, I had this recorded, and while recording I did all this code by hand, but I forgot to switch on my microphone, so I lost the audio, so I had to re-record. So I don't want to create all this again. So let's, sorry. Not there. Where is that? Plugin demo, filter, plugins, and then demo py. Yeah. So okay. So this is the boilerplate code that you have to do in your custom filter plugin, right? So you need to define a class which is filter module, which inherits from object, and this is the default function, right? And this returns your filter, right? So this if you have defined multiple filters, you can just do comma separate and return multiple filters that you have created, right? So in this case, I'm just returning only one filter that I defined here, right? So this first 4 5 is the boilerplate code that you have to write, and this is your custom code, right? This is my custom filter. It is doing nothing. It is taking value, more likely to be integer. I'm not converting that, so more likely to be integer. It is taking integer and it is returning a boolean, right? So basically we are checking whether the input is even or odd, If it is even, it is returning true. If it is odd, it is returning false. Nothing fancy, right? So this is fairly simple code, and in this scenario, we are just returning whether the value is even or odd using our custom filter, right? So you can think of any complex thing where you may have to transform data before going to next task, and the built-in filters are not sufficient for you, right? So fairly simple use case. So mm, you see the syntax, right? Now let's edit our task main.yaml and use our, since I have not done integer conversion there, so I'm doing here. So is even. So basically, this is the variable that I will be passing through extra variables, and this will just tell whether it is even or odd. So fairly simple code, nothing fancy. Let's run our playbook, and this time we'll pass some numbers. Let's pass 100. Okay, so 100 is true, which is even. Now let's pass 99, which is odd. We should return false. All right. So this was fairly simple demo to show how we can create our own filter plugins in Ansible, and we can use that in our code for for things where the built-in filter plugins are not enough. So this is the power that Ansible gave. You can extend this by creating your own plugins. I hope I hope you liked it. There are many filter plugins, and I will create those in my future videos. Until then, bye bye, friends. Please like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments. Yeah, thank you. Bye for now.